This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cake and pastry rings. Specifically, we're talking about these baking rings or round cake rings. But whatever you want to call it, they're a really useful tool if you're into baking, making cakes, or making pastries. They come in 5 different sizes. You have your 3, 4, 6, 10, and 12-inch diameters. They're 2.5 inches high, meaning that you can make really nice layered desserts with these. Now, typically you'd be taking something like a cake, a sponge, maybe some other kind of pastry, whether it's a meringue or something, and you're going to be layering those in here with things like mousses, custards, and other fillings, potentially things like fresh fruit, whipped cream, and you can make really beautiful desserts that, when you remove the ring, give you a beautiful multi-layered presentation that's visually appealing and really appetizing, right? So you can make beautifully, aesthetically pleasing little desserts, but you can also use these to make different layered salads, dips, and other savory dishes as well. These baking rings can be used in the oven. They can also be put in the freezer, and since they're made of durable stainless steel, they're not only easy to slide off of your creations, but they're also safe to put in the dishwasher, making them a versatile tool in the kitchen, whether you're working with savory items or sweet, for making beautiful and just delectable presentations.